Uncle Mark with you. Welcome back to the channel. Working on setting a clock on your old Buick. This is the 96. It covers a few different years. If you have this radio that was in the thumb, you know this is going to work no matter what you're driving. Let's see how easy it is to do. So you want to set the clock on this thing. This is pretty easy. If we go take a look, we've got hours and minutes here. So it's going to be pretty easy. Just turn the key on. You can go back one. Make sure it's off. Does the radio need to be on? It does not. As long as the key is on, we're going to press hours. It actually is 1:27 right now. So I'm going to go and press hours right here. Let's press it. And just hold. Oh. And let go. And it's saying it's AM. We're actually PM. So let's go to PM. Just in case. I don't think the car is going to know any different. 1. And we said it was 1:27. So I'm going to hold our minute button here. And hold it down. And you know how these things work. They kind of scroll pretty quickly. When we get close to 1:28, I guess, we'll try and let go. Ooh, one more, and that should be it. Just leave it, let it do its thing, and it should be fine. So that's how easy it is to do, and maybe it even saves us some embarrassment once they show you, oh, you just have to press these couple things. And if you've got a really good mechanic, they'll probably just say, here, this is how it is. No charge, you're out of here. But I know a lot of places are going to want to charge you that. If you like the video, why not press the subscribe button in the very corner here. You can give me the thumbs up too. If you didn't like the video, well, I guess thumbs down. It's always easy to make a video when you're on that side of the camera, right? Check out the playlist too. We'll put up here how to set your presets on this radio. That may be something you also want to do. Check out the playlist on this Buick. This is the 96. It covers quite a few years. Oh, just right there. And until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Uncle Mark testing height. So it's that simple to do. If you like the video, why not subscribe? Uncle Mark with you. Thanks for joining us again. We're going to be working on how to set your radio on your older Buick. This covers a few years. This is a 96. I'll put down here what it covers. So you've seen it in the intro. So now you obviously know. But anyway, let's